I have a room. My room is nice. I like my room. I have a bed. My bed is soft. My bed is in the bedroom. I have a kitchen. My kitchen is large. I like my kitchen. I have a camera. My camera is on the shelf. My camera is old. I have a fridge. My fridge is in the kitchen. My fridge is modern. I have a mirror. My mirror is in the bathroom. My mirror is clean. I have a towel. My towel is in the bathroom. My towel is pink. I have a TV. My TV is old. My TV is in the living room. I have a sofa. My sofa is in the living room. My sofa is green. I have a wardrobe. My wardrobe is in the bedroom. My wardrobe is big. I have a teddy bear. My teddy bear is in the bedroom. I like my teddy bear. I have a computer. My computer is on the table. My computer is new. I have a washing machine. My washing machine is in the bathroom. I have a cup. My cup is in the kitchen. My cup is dirty. I have a hat. My hat is yellow. My hat is in the hall. I have a phone. My phone is new. My phone is on the table. I have a carpet. My carpet is in the bedroom. My carpet is blue. I have a pencil. My pencil is good. My pencil is in the box.